So coming back with the second part on the same top-down analysis, so starting from the monthly time frame, and you do your subdivision, so to say, of the different waves. If you want to have a more in-depth look of the structure or the pattern close to the carbon price action, then we need to go on a smaller time frames, like 4-hour chart or even a 1-hour chart. You'll see, for example, here. So we are here on the monthly chart, but if you go on the 1-hour chart, you are not seeing that count anymore. And because of that, then you need to know all the time where are you standing and what kind of wave is the one you are looking for on the smaller time frame. In this case, the 1-hour chart. This counting code will help to identify waves of different degrees or cycles, if you want, like the name of the subchapter says. We are looking at cycles in the Elliott wave theory. So this was a monthly chart. We said that we are possible in a contracting triangle with A, B, and C. And now normally what we should do, we should go on a weekly chart and try to identify this count, okay? But this time on the weekly chart, and seeing how to interpret things. For example, on the weekly chart, if you click on the weekly chart, this is a weekly chart, and according to the previous count on the monthly, we would say that this is the end of wave A purple that we've just count there, okay? So this is the A of this degree, and this would be our lower part of this contracting triangle, potential contracting triangle, and you are seeing here the base that I'm looking at, and then this is the A wave to the upside, of this degree, and this is the B wave to the upside. So what I'm trying to say is that on the smaller time frame, you are not putting all the counting, the previous counting on this chart. You are just looking on the smaller time frame on the carbon price action in order to identify the proper degree. Now, if this is an A wave of this degree, okay, then each wave, and if this is a contracting triangle, then legs of a contracting triangle, they go in the form of threes. That means A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. That means that in this structure you have three waves of an even smaller degree than wave A here. Now, if this wave A is having a font of the size 16, and normally it should be made out of three waves of smaller degrees, so let's make it 14. Let's make another color, dark orange, and this would be an A of a smaller degree. So A, B, C, and this is another cycle when counting Elliott waves, like this A, B, C. Then this structure for the B wave here is also of the same degree like this one, and normally this should be something like another three different ways: A, B, C. Okay. I hope this is clear when you're looking at the waves. So once again, from the monthly chart, now wave A here, and let's write this down there. A purple, so A purple, well, with magenta anyways. So this A is being formed, so this A here, it is being formed out of equals ABC of this degree. Correct? Correct. As you can can see this A is being equal with A, B, C of this degree. Now the B wave, well, the B wave equals A, B, C, dE of this degree. Correct? Correct. Now, if you go on a smaller time frame, like this is the weekly chart, then this A wave this time here, now this A wave here, equals an A, B, C. So this A wave here, sorry about that, A, equals an ABC of an even lower degree, of this degree, and moreover, each wave of this degree, okay, it is being formed out of different 5 or 3 waves of a smaller degree. For example, this move that you are looking at right here, it is being formed out of 5 different waves in the form of an ending diagonal of a smaller degree. If this is 14, then normally you go on a smaller degree like 12, okay, and make it, let's say, make it red, and this would be a normal 1, and the second wave here, then the third wave here, then the fourth wave here, and then the fifth wave here, and there you go. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside that complete the C wave here. So this C wave of this degree, it is equals 5 smaller waves, so 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this degree. Let me change just a little bit the color in order to be as clear as possible. Now, of course, that each wave out of this degree is being formed out of different waves for different degrees. But anyways, we're starting from the monthly chart. Now here, see on the monthly chart, if you try to look for smaller degree waves on this structure, it would be impossible to put all the numbers on the chart, because that would be extremely confusing. But if you are doing the top-down analysis and starting from the higher time frame towards the lower time frame, then the lower you go on the time frames, you are looking at smaller degree waves more closely to the current price action. Now this is the weekly chart, and we ended the B wave here. And let's say that if this contracting triangle is still like we're looking at, then on the daily chart we're starting to look from this moment on. So from this moment on, okay, from the B wave green. So from the B wave green, this should be our starting point, the B wave green, and we are not, so B wave of 16 and green, okay. Now we know that based on our color code for identifying cycles, we know that the green wave, so like it is here for A wave, it is being formed out of different waves of this degree. So when you are trying to count on a daily chart starting from here, you are looking for different waves of a smaller degree. Now if this is a contracting triangle, normally you are looking for ways to go in terms of threes. So this might be, for example, something like an A of a smaller degree, A of a smaller degree, like this, okay, A of a smaller degree. Then you're looking for a B wave of this degree, which might be done or which may not be done, for example, an A and a B wave probably like this, okay? And then you're looking for, so to have the B wave, then we're looking for the C wave to the upside, and that would be something like A, okay? Looking for a B, maybe the B is done, maybe it's not done, looking for a B, and then to look for a C to the upside of this degree, and this should make your A, B, and C wave like this. But this on the next recording. Stay tuned.